I'm here with these two cat towers made by Jahitek, and this one is actually made by another brand as well. So I think it's like from a Chinese factory, but it's really, really cool. It's like an Ikea building package, so you can just screw everything on. You can do that in like 15 minutes, especially with the small one, perhaps 10 minutes, and the larger one, 15 minutes. So let me show you a little bit on what that looks like. So here's the smaller one by Jahitek, and it's just like a little base. Some of the parts are, I think, exactly the same. Like that one is the one there on the right, and then a little cottage here where they can sit in, which say love, and then these scratching posts on either side, and then a little bell thing here if they'd like to play with that, and then they can lie on top there as well. So we have 3 cats. Here's just one. So there's space for everyone to like to lie in there in the middle, and it's really soft material. You can't really see this through the or feel this through the camera, but this is really, really soft and nice to lie in. So 2 would like to cuddle up in there, and then 1 there on the top. They've done that. And then I've got this larger one, which is from the same manufacturer, even though 2 different brands came out with this, but I think the most popular one for this one is Jahitek as well. So as you can see, it's quite large, maybe 2 times as large, as high as the other one, but the base isn't even that much larger. So if you put this in your room, it doesn't take up that much more space than something a little smaller, even though it's higher. So as a base, you can put this in like a corner, and it's just a little bit more inside, but it doesn't take up any more space than like the smaller one. So if you're wondering about what type of well, cat scratching tower here to get, you're wondering about the size of them, so this is about the same base, maybe 1.5 times as large as a base, but not that much. So this one has a little ladder, so that's pretty nice. And then you can go up here. There, your cats can lay down, and then they can enjoy a little bit up higher, all the way up to the top there. And here's that same little, here's that same little ball with the bell on, just a little higher there. So a lot of the same things and the same material as well, of course. So really cool. As you can see, I think it's quality material. You just have to put that together in, yeah, like I said, like 15 minutes or so. Just screw that all together. And it came with all the screws and even the wrench to use that with. So very easy to do. So I hope this video has helped you to see the difference between like a smaller and a larger one, and what you should get for your house.